Hi, welcome to another Attention Insight video. I'm Greta, and today we will test and compare two versions of a poster design on Attention Insight app. On Canva platform, I will choose a poster template. My goal is for the words "discounts up to 50% off" be the most visible object in the design. Let's make some changes. I will move the logo into the image. I will separate the sentences. And change the discounts up to 50% off text color to red. I will then change the background color for a better contrast. I will also slightly adjust the rest of the text. Having saved the original design, I will also save the one that I have just edited onto my computer by clicking Download a PNG. On the Attention Insight app, I will click Create New Analysis, choose Desktop, and will upload both versions of the design. First, I will analyze the non-edited version of the design. Clarity score is 75%. Let's test individual parts of the design by selecting areas of interest: Black Friday sale, discounts, and CTA. Now, let's analyze the edited version. The clarity score is 83%. Again, I will select the same areas of interest as in the previous design. Now, I will compare both versions. We can see that the clarity score increased 8%, words Friday sale dropped from 26 to 16%, CTA dropped 2%, but most importantly, the word discount increased from 16 to 45%, which is 29% higher than the original design. And I'm happy to say that our goal was reached. Thank you, and see you in my next videos.